Grasp the bird's tail sequence number 7. This follows a nice long movement called white snake puts out tongue, followed by step up, deflect downward, and punch. So following white snake, step up, deflect downward, and punch. Okay. Grasp the bird's tail. Okay, Susan. Okay. She grabs me following this whole sequence. I knock her off. Now, she has a nice open side, so she thinks she's just going to follow with a nice hook to my body. I knock her off. She goes to hook, which I pong, ward off. This is a very traditional kind of application for pong ward off. It's just a slight opening, round, blocking kind of motion. Okay, since this hand's taken care of, this hand's open, she decides to hook me around to this side of my face. I block, but this pong is a real strong blocking, attacking pong. It's an attacking pong. This pong here is just, I'm not worried, I'm not attacking her. All I'm doing is just warding her off. This time, as she comes in, I'm just going to step inside and move right into her. I could be hitting into her, but the main thing is that my arm is blocking as I'm stepping, and she just gets flung out of the way. And that's called warding off to the right. Ward off to the left, ward off to the right, and I just push her away. She then punches me with her right hand, which I neutralize back. I close her up. Now that her side of her body is to me, which I then press her away. Ward off left, ward off right. Press. And she follows with a big, solid push away, which I just neutralize and push her. It's just an opening push. Anytime that I'm on the inside of her arms, this is very easy. I could be on the outside of her arms and take her down, like when she struck my ears before. This is what we call closing up, outside in. This time it's inside out. You're just moving things out and coming in. So one more time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thank you.